Hello everyone, so in this video we're gonna look at the Bugatti Chiron made by GTAutos in the white and blue color scheme. Let's just get out of the box. It's quite a heavy model at first impression, being made of metal, not as plastic base as outdoor version. The model looks amazing at first look. I like the headlights, how they are made, also the Bugatti logo. The wheels are extremely well done for this model. Also the brake disc, the Bugatti logo on the caliper, brake caliper. Very nice finish of the paint. In the back, the same. We have some perforated grills here in the back. Also the Bugatti logo. As you can see through the grill, the details of the engine. Let's just look in the front. A bit disappointed on this dogleg hinges, but it's not that expensive model. It's around 100 euros in Europe. No carpet in the interior of the storage area, sadly, but that doesn't bother me as much. Let's just check out the interior. We have some good details in the interior. Let me see if I can focus there. Yes. Some carbon fiber weave as also on this part of the body. The seats are nicely done. Also we have a kind of carpeted interior, I think. It's very nice. A lot of details in the interior. Also in the back we have the two tailpipes underneath the car. Let me see if I can open the spoiler. It's very nicely done, almost as the outdoor version. Can move it around. Extremely well done. Good job, GTAutos. It's a great model. Sadly, you cannot take off the engine cover. That's a minus. If you consider the outdoor version, you can take it off, but having this kind of details and the price being 2 or 3 times less than the outdoor version, I think it's a very good model to get. That's about it for this model. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.